Namaste. So now let's cover out current affairs for the month of November. So the Fractured Himalaya is the name of a book written by our ex-Foreign Secretary Nirupama Rao. Now, since this book appeared in the Hindu, as an excerpt from this book was carried, maybe the examiner takes note of it and maybe they ask you who wrote the Fractured Himalaya? Nirupama Rao. Alright. Then statue of Adi Shankaracharya was revealed in Kedarnath. So by PM Modi, this question was also asked in this KBC rather, that who or which personality's statue was unveiled at Kedarnath very recently. So that's Adi Shankaracharya, the man who was basically credited with reviving Hinduism throughout our country. MP LAD scheme ka full form, because the scheme has been restored. So it's Member of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme. It was suspended during COVID time due to budget constraints and everything. But now it has been reinstated to 2 crores instead of the usual 5 crores. So MP LADS is back, in which MPs use these funds to आपका ये काम करने के लिए local in their own area development. Country's first world-class railway station. This is extremely crucial. This has to pop up in one of the examinations that you will be taking in 2022. That is, country's first world-class railway station is at Habibganj in Bhopal. It is also known as Rani Kamlapati station. Make sure to mark it somewhere in red. Will most likely show up. India has demanded $1 trillion over the next decade. So India is one member of the group that has demanded $1 trillion over the next decade from developed countries to adapt and mitigate and to face the challenge of global warming. So by 2030, we are also looking at generating 500 gigawatt from, or rather, we'll have the non-fossil energy capacity at 500 gigawatt. We have also committed to a net zero carbon emission target in 2070. So by 2070, we are saying that we won't be emitting any CO2 in the atmosphere, which is practically impossible because net zero carbon emission मैं आपके notes में include कर दूंगा इसकी पूरी definition. So it will be कि हम जितनी भी carbon dioxide आपकी atmosphere में environment में India जो है वो release करेगी, we'll offset it by our green initiative so that net we are on zero. So most countries have committed by 2050. We are taking 50 years more. This was one of the most points of contention wherein India was quite opposed at COP26, but India took a very bold stand. We'll discuss this in the International Wala module. And then one more term which is related to this very news is NDC, that is Nationally Determined Contribution. Don't be surprised if they ask you the full form of NDC. Hopefully you have covered out static GK wale module se UNF CCC वगैरह वाले lectures. RBI has come out with 2 new schemes. This is extremely crucial. Will 99% show up in the AI LET. Alright. So RBI 2 schemes, Retail Direct Scheme and Integrated Ombudsman Scheme. So both these schemes important, both the details I'll provide it in the PDF to you. One Nation, One Portal Public Grievances ki we are targeting to make one portal. So state portals plus we are targeting CP grams to be integrated into one. Therefore, the full form of CP grams will become important. Centralized Public Grievance Redress and Monitoring System. This is extremely crucial, will most likely again show up. India's Bhadla Solar Park is the largest solar power park in the world. Bhadla Solar Park is located in Bhadla, dry and sandy region in Rajasthan. So now this has popped up, in Hindustan Times of India Hindu. India's Bhadla Solar Park is the largest solar power park in the world. This will most likely show up. Mark it somewhere in red. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. Then Covaxin का ये तो पुराने news है. Just wanted to point out Covaxin is made by Bharat Biotech. This is a very standard answer. It is an inactivated whole virus vaccine. ये याद रखिएगा. तो पिछले वाले करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियोस के अंदर हमने फर्स्ट DNA देखी, mRNA, Pfizer वगैरह हैं. This is an inactivated whole virus vaccine in which they have actually taken the virus as a whole and inactivated it and then they insert it in your body for the body to recognize that there is such a virus in the atmosphere or in the world now. And this is perhaps one of the best vaccines. One of the in fact it's been touted as the best, but लेकिन हिंदुस्तानी है तो इसलिए कोई मानने को तैयार नहीं. Russia has given, this should have been in the international portion, I just included it here. Russia is now going to be supplying the S-400 missile system to India. They will start the supply. Now US के मामले में, so US passes, so US is very wary of the system, they really don't like it, so they hate countries who buy S-400 from Russia. So they had passed the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act, CAATSA, to impose sanctions against Iran, North Korea and Russia. इंडिया के ऊपर अभी ये लोग विचार कर रहे हैं कि हमारे से दोस्ती बिगड़ जाएगी, बट द MCQ इज CAATSA का फुल फॉर्म, और which law does the US use to sanction countries against the S-400? Well, this is it. Okay. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Purvanchal Expressway in Uttar Pradesh. Election आ रहे हैं तो inauguration तो करनी ही पड़ेगी. अच्छा, India's first COVID-19 victims memorial was inaugurated at Rajanapet village in the district by Project Madat. तो ये Rajanapet village इसलिए important है क्योंकि this was perhaps the first village, the country's first village to achieve COVID resilience on July 31. So this was the first village which was fully vaccinated as well. The first COVID-19 victims memorial भी वहीं पे आया रजनापेट village पे by a project, NGO होगी Project Madat. Okay. Now this is extremely crucial. There's a red alert on this question, mark it in red. Telangana's Pochampalli village was selected as one of the best tourism villages by the United Nations World Tourism Organization, so UNWTO. Now this is a very prestigious award. So which village? Pochampalli, and in which state? Telangana. Alright. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Very high chance that this will perhaps show up in your exams. Okay. Now, Vishakhapatnam is the name of the recently commissioned missile destroyer that has been commissioned in the Navy. So this is a stealth guided missile destroyer under Project 15B, and जो आपकी जो company का नाम है, that is Mazagon Dock Limited. सारी detail will be provided in your notes. All of these details are each and every, like each question on their own. So कि जी विशाखापट्टनम, अब actually जो आजकल जो trend जो चल रहा है examiners का, वो कहते हैं कि विशाखापट्टनम तो हमें पता है, forget that, who is building it? तो वहाँ पे ऑप्शन होगा DRDO, ISRO. तो यूजुअली पीपल वांट टू मार्क एज DRDO. It is something else altogether. That is why I try to cover out each and every detail that is required. Now there is an upcoming LIGO project, LIGO. This is the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, that is basically will be setting up the first such facility in the country in Maharashtra. So this is, I would say, लीगो का वैसे फुल फॉर्म तो नहीं पूछेंगे, बट महाराष्ट्र कभी कभार पूछ सकते हैं. दिस लीगो स्टडीज द ग्रेविटेशनल वेव्स. वी नीड नॉट एंटर इनटू मोर डिटेल्स, वी आर नॉट टेकिंग द साइंस का पेपर. दिस अगेन इज एक्सट्रीमली क्रूशियल. रेड अलर्ट वो पीछे वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 वाली वैसी वाली आवाज आप शुरू कर लें. इंदौर हैज बिन नेम्ड एज द क्लीनेस्ट सिटी इन इंडिया फॉर द 5th year running now. Alright, so then the Swachh Survekshan Awards 2021. So we are also inaugurating or commissioning the Scorpion class submarine called as INS Vela. And as per the new Family Health Survey 5, which was recently conducted, India now has 1020 women per 1,000 men. Extremely crucial. Please note it. Then it is Kavach का time है जी, और ये आएगा ही आएगा एग्जाम में. There is no way that this will not show up in the exam. So Kavach is soon to be implemented in Indian Railways. This is an indigenously developed train collision avoidance system, TCAS. All right. Again, now November is a hot month. Usually होता क्या है कि whenever the examiners are crafting out all of these papers, November is when. So September was okay-ish. October was Nobel Prizes. November is where the actual game now starts beginning for current affairs. World's tallest railway bridge pier is being built in Manipur. It will surpass the existing record of 139 meters of Mala Rijeka Viaduct, Montenegro in Europe. So this will become, in Manipur, this will become the world's tallest railway bridge. So that pier, basically जो column है, will be going at, I think, 141 meters. ठीक है. UP will soon be the first state to have 5 international airports as soon as the Jawar airport near Noida is inaugurated. एक अभी पीछे भी न्यूज़ आई थी ना, कुशीनगर एयरपोर्ट, दैट वाज आल्सो इन यूपी. नाउ साइबर तहसील, द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू क्रिएट अ साइबर तहसील इज मध्य प्रदेश. Pod hotels have been, oh this is very low probability, in Mumbai Central Railway Station, but cyber tehsil पूछ सकते हैं, which is the first state to create a cyber tehsil. What is the minimum support price के बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी पहले भी पिछले एक लेक्चर में बात करी हुई है, minimum support price etc. I think पिछले साल वाला था, but minimum support price is usually 1.5 times the minimum आपको जितनी भी आपकी production cost आ रही है. So minimum, but the question is for how many crops does the government notify a minimum support price, that is an MSP? That is what 23 crops. The 25th pointer, Omicron first discovered in South Africa, internationally में भी cover हो जाएगा. I just put it here, मेरी news feed में pop up हो गया होगा. ISRO is proposed. Basically, ISRO's headquarters are being proposed to be shifted from Bengaluru to Gujarat, in which a lot of protest is being done कि कर्नाटका से बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. Revamped War Memorial was inaugurated by Rajnath Singh at Rizangla in Ladakh. Rizangla is a place which is a place in which Indian soldiers heavily fought out the Chinese armies. वहाँ पे अगर आप लद्दाख में जाएंगे भी तो मतलब this is a place, the must visit place. और एक और भी है वहाँ पे पत्थर साहिब गुरुद्वारा है लेह के just बाहर. If you're traveling that side, please do check it out. Audit Divas, the first ever Audit Divas was celebrated in Delhi to mark the institution of the CAG, Article 148. This Audit Divas, high probability for your exams. This most likely will showed up in KBC as well as a very high valued question as well. Niti Aayog, who has opened a portal called E-Amrit. So there will be an option called E-Vahan. Do not go for that. It is E-Amrit that is they have opened for electric vehicles. The excise duty has been cut by the central Sarkar from 5 rupees from petrol and 10 rupees diesel. And Nykaa is the first woman-led profitable unicorn. Unicorn क्या होता है? Any startup which is being valued at more than $1 billion. जो उनकी जो owner है, that is her name is Falguni Nair. Most likely AILT or CLAT can ask such a question. DOLB I think not. अच्छा, फिर चलते हैं इंटरनेशनल पे. यहीं पे इसी में काम कर लेते हैं. इस महीने नेशनल इंटरनेशनल